Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's Kitchen menu, we're gonna make pepper steak with rice. This recipe is easy to make. So let's get into the ingredients. You will need steak. I'm using chuck here guys. You can use any steak that you have in hand. Chopped green onions, soy sauce, bell peppers, onion, black pepper, red pepper flakes, ginger, cornstarch, onion powder, carrots, garlic, and rice. I'm using Basmati rice, guys. You can use any type of rice you have in hand. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat the oil until shimmering, about 1 minute. Add beef and continue stirring. Make sure, guys, you do not overcrowd your pan with the beef. Next, we're gonna add red pepper flakes and let this continue cooking until brown for 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're gonna flip the meat. Add carrots. And ginger and onion powder, black pepper. We need a good stir. Stir the cornstarch and soy sauce in a small bowl until the mixture is smooth. I'm gonna add garlic, peppers, and green onions. Okay. Put all this together, guys. Next, I'm gonna pour that cornstarch slurry. Let it cook for 1 minute until it thickens. Guys, it smells so good here. So some people might be wondering why I'm not adding salt. Already the soy sauce has sodium, so you don't need to add salt, guys. Okay. The pepper steak is done. Now we're gonna move on to cook rice. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then stir in 2 cups of rice. Toast the rice for 3 minutes. With this recipe, guys, you can also use butter instead of olive oil. Once your rice is toasted, add 4 cups of cold water. Turn your heat down to low. Cover the rice and let it cook for 20 minutes. Rice is done. Just take a fork and fluff it, guys, like this. Perfect. There you have it, guys. Pepper steak with rice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.